get delivery to this fucking house. The hell did this bitch order now? Poor husband must be pussy whipped. So glad I'm single. Yes, doctor. Wait, hold on, boo. Hold on. I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on. Yeah, so the doctor said it might be a rash on my taint. That's normal. So he gave me antibiotics. But the oily discharge, there's going to be a problem with. Ah! Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. I can't these lazy fucking people go to the store like the old days. Gotta break my fucking balls delivering this shit. Fucking lazy cocksuckers. This place is perfect. No alarm system, no dog. They're never home during this time of the day. Perfect for us.